McLaren, today we're going to look at the Pro Lift lawnmower lift. Easy assemble here, and according to the picture here, you can hang it up on the wall. This is the unit itself. This handle here just rolls it back and forth on the ground. If you're in a, this is on grass, so it's not going to roll good. But there's 4 wheels on this. The bottom here. 4 wheels. This is your jack, your bottle jack. So make sure that's closed. I'm going to pump it up. I'm going to draw the tractor right on top of those brackets there. There, so put a board behind here. Back wheels. The tires are right in that bracket there now. Right inside the bracket. There's instructions right on the plate here for lifting and for lowering. Now I'm going to lift it up. There's your foot pedal. Just a bottle jack, just like a car jack. This lever holds it in here. Now you can get underneath, look at your blades, change your blades. Now to release it, is to pump the bottle jack a wee bit. Release this lever here. Little clip in there that holds it down. And just release the pressure on the bottle jack. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.